Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you what things you will need if you are a beginner in Resin world. So the supplies you will need for this are simply the basic ones which everyone I think should buy, because if you are starting your small business, or if you're just it's your hobby to work with resin, then you should need all of these stuff here. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how can you make a resin stud. So be active on my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So here you can see I have this resin right here. This is the local resin which was available in Pakistan online store. And this is a hardener and a resin. So this thing really needs a time to get cured, at least 24 hours. And this is 500 ml each bottle, 1:1 ratio, which means if you add 10 gram of resin, you will need 10 gram of hardener. You add 1 teaspoon of resin, you will need 1 teaspoon of hardener. Like equal parts we will need to make this solution. So this is the basic thing you will need to start this work, obviously the resin. And the next thing you will need are some of the disposable plastic cups, which you can use multiple times. I don't throw my cups once I use them, because when resin dry up for like around 12 to 13 hours, you can easily peel them off from the cups. So they are actually disposable, but you can use it multiple times. And this is what the package looks like. There are a lot of in there, so I don't waste too much of the plastic, because it's dangerous for the sea life. But I do buy them because I use them for like multiple times, many times. So this is the thing you will need. And I think if you don't like to buy disposable stuff, then you can go ahead and buy something kind of like a painting tray, which you can use multiple of times, because once the resin is dry, you can easily peel the resin off from your plate or your bowl. So here you can see I have these cups I have used earlier, and it's been almost like 2 days for this one. I have used this one 2 to 3 times, and as you can see, when I press this, you can easily go ahead and peel this resin off from this cup. So it's super easy to do this stuff. So if you are going to use a regular house bowls, you can go ahead and use those as well. And this is my favorite one, sorry. It's a painting tray with a deep bowls in it, and you can easily make a resin inside, use it, and then you can peel this off later on. I really liked this one, so I use this as well for like many times, and it's clean because I then ripped the resin off from this. So if you want to buy this is a really nice and great option for you guys to buy this. Now back to this peeling part, and I am going to clear this bowl so you can see this cup, so you can see that this thing can easily get peeled off. And in the base, this is the hard part, so I'm just forcing the bottom of the cup so that I can remove this solid acrylic with any kind of tools you have. You can use many things, and this is the tool I have, and easily you can see that you can peel this off, and now you can reuse this cup many times. So this is the basic tip I really wanted to share with you, that don't use disposable cup and then just use one time and throw it away. Just keep it and let the resin dry and cure into it, and you can use it later on. So now let's move towards the other things. So the next stuff we will need are these wooden ice cream sticks. They are super easy to mix the resin, and you can use these multiple times, like 2 to 3 times. When the resin is dry, you can take the other side of the the stick, and you can mix the stuff with that. And this is the one I have used like 2 to 3 times. so you can go ahead and use these as well for like multiple times, and they are super cheap. And you can use a plastic disposable spoons, but I don't recommend that because then you will waste the plastic. And now this one, we have a Monte Marti, I don't know, I never pronounced this correctly, fabric paints, and they are super amazing. Bought that from online store, and they are super amazing pigmented fabric paints. I use them multiple times in my projects, and they are really good. So if you are working with the resin and you are thinking of working with the resin, you can go ahead and buy a nice brand fabric paints. And now here I can show you some of the molds I have. These are the mold. I bought this again online. This was a package which has 4 of those tubes, then the necklace one, then the stud mold, then we have these kind of the frame molds. Like, this was a really nice package for me. Now let's move towards the paints and different kinds of pigments and glitters. So I really don't like the tubes one because they are really hard to take off the tubes. So if you are new, I don't recommend you to buy these tubes one. Once your hand is set with the resin and you think you can handle the resin perfectly, you can go ahead and buy the tubes one. Okay, so the next thing I really wanted to share with you are these resin tints. These are the resin tints. They are super pigmented, plus they give you a result of kind of like a see-through and a jelly kind of a finish at the end. So I bought this one, a set of I don't know, 12. So they are really great. So if you wanted to use something kind of like a jelly or a see-through kind of a stuff, go ahead and buy the alcoholic inks, or you can switch to the resin tints. They are super amazing and easy to handle. The next thing I wanted to share with you is this golden mica powder. This mica powder is easily available on online stores like AliExpress or Amazon. I bought this from a local Pakistani online store, and this is really nice. This thing have a really nice glitter and a really nice amazing golden color. And the next, I wanted to show you some of my basic regular glitters which I have. They are just the normal glitter we normally use in our project. And the next is these foil glitters. I ordered this from someone, I don't know, I just forget that, but these are, I don't know, I'm not happy with the result of these. Instead of buying these ones, I think we should buy the whole sheet of the holographic plastic or whatever. And then you can see I have these pigments right here, which are my eyeshadows, and they give a really good result. I really recommend you guys to use some of your highly pigmented eyeshadows in your resin work, and you will shocked to see the result. That results are so amazing and so pigmented, and the project really looks really amazing, shiny, and it looks like high quality pigmented stuff. So these are the basic stuff I have showed you in this video. Before you work with the resin, don't forget to wear the gloves, because gloves are necessary, and do wear your face mask, because sometimes it do react someone because of its smell. And you will need your gram machine, like a weight machine, if you wanted to work with the grams, or if you wanted to work with the teaspoon or something, go ahead and use that as well. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. So this is it. I have showed you many things in this video for you if you are thinking to start your resin work, and in more of the video I'm going to elaborate more about the resin to you guys. And this is the thing I wanted to show you in the video. It's not necessary for the beginners. This is the flower drying art. It's kind of like a powder in which you preserve flowers in that. You dry the flowers in it. I will make a video on that as well. I will try my best to make a video on this to show you how can you dry flowers at home. and there are also many videos available on YouTube already, but I will make a video for you guys because I really want to make something for my subscribers as well. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you wanted to ask anything, go ahead and comment on the comment box down below. And thank you so much for giving your precious time to my video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. Thank you so much. Take care everyone, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Waiting for your comments and your replies. Take care everyone. Bye.